Have you ever heard about the latest food trend that's taking the world by storm? Plant-based foods are not only a hot topic, but also a healthier alternative to traditional meat. But why are so many people switching to this type of diet? In today's world, people are becoming more and more health conscious, and as a result, they are searching for new and innovative ways to improve their overall health. Plant-based foods have gained a lot of popularity in recent years as a way to achieve optimal health. These foods are made from whole, unrefined plant ingredients, and are free from animal products and byproducts. In this video we will explore what plant-based foods are, their benefits, and how they can be incorporated into your diet. Are you curious about what plant-based foods are and why they are becoming more popular? Well, you're in luck. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards plant-based diets, with people becoming increasingly interested in the health benefits and sustainability of consuming more plant-based foods. But what exactly are plant-based foods? Simply put, they are foods that come from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Unlike animal-based foods, plant-based foods are naturally low in saturated fat, high in fiber, and rich in essential nutrients, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being. With so many people jumping on the plant-based bandwagon, it's no surprise that this topic is gaining popularity. From delicious plant-based recipes to innovative plant-based products, the world of plant-based eating is constantly expanding and evolving. These foods are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for a healthy and balanced diet. But what exactly are plant-based foods and what makes them so special? Plant-based foods are, as the name suggests, foods that are made primarily from plants. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are not only a great source of essential nutrients, but they also provide fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that are beneficial for overall health. One of the reasons that plant-based foods have become so popular is due to the growing awareness of the benefits of a diet that is rich in plants. Studies have shown that eating a diet that is primarily made up of plant-based foods can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some forms of cancer. Additionally, plant-based foods are a great source of energy and can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight. So if you're looking to improve your overall health and well-being, consider incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet. Not only will they provide you with essential nutrients, but they will also help you to feel more energized and satisfied. Incorporating plant-based foods into your diet can be a delicious and exciting journey. Imagine a world where every meal is filled with colorful, nutrient-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Not only are plant-based foods incredibly satisfying, but they also provide a wealth of health benefits. One way to make the transition to a more plant-based diet is to start by adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals. Instead of a meat-based lunch, opt for a big salad with all the fixings. Or swap out your usual breakfast of eggs and bacon for a hearty bowl of oatmeal with fresh berries and almond milk. Another great way to incorporate plant-based foods into your diet is to try new recipes. Experiment with different cuisines and cooking techniques, and discover new ingredients and flavors. Whether you are interested in vegan, vegetarian, or simply plant-based diets, there are a plethora of resources available to help you get started. Incorporating plant-based foods into your diet can also be a great way to challenge yourself and expand your culinary skills. Try making your own plant-based meals at home and see how creative you can get. From stir-fries to smoothies, there are so many amazing plant-based dishes to try. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. The process of incorporating plant-based foods into your diet can be a journey, and it's okay to stumble along the way. The important thing is to keep trying and keep learning. With a little patience, creativity, and persistence, you can turn your diet into a delicious and nutritious journey that will lead to better health and wellness. In conclusion, incorporating plant-based foods into your diet can have numerous benefits for your health and the environment. Not only are they rich in essential vitamins and minerals, but they also offer a wide variety of delicious options that can be easily integrated into any meal. By switching to a plant-based diet, you can reduce your carbon footprint, support animal welfare, and improve your overall health. So why not give it a try today and see how it can change your life for the better? Remember, every small step counts, and you don't have to be fully plant-based to make a difference. With so many tasty options and the numerous health benefits that come with it, there's never been a better time to make the switch. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today, and join the plant-based revolution. To wrap up, adopting a plant-based diet has numerous health benefits, from improving heart health to reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. By incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet, you can experience these benefits for yourself. So don't hesitate, give it a try today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest health and wellness tips.